Hey guys, it's a girl Genevieve and I'm back with another video. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this cute hairstyle using a Brazilian wool. So guys, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. You think it's hard. Okay guys, so I'm starting off on a freshly washed hair and I'm going on to section out the front part of the hair while I work with the back section. Alright, so afterwards I'm going on to divide the hair into 2 equal parts. Then afterwards I'll go on to use my hair wax and then rubber band. Okay, that's what I'm going to be using for this hairstyle in the back. Alright, I'm going to use my hair wax and rubber bands. Okay, so once I'm done dividing the hair into 2 equal parts, I'll go on to use my rat tail comb to brush out and smoothen up my hair in the back. Alright, and then I'll go on to section the hair in boxes. Okay, so I'll go on to section the first part of the hair, and after which I'll go on with my edge control. Alright, the hair wax. I used hair wax to clean up the lines, clean up the parts. Alright, so that's why when I'm done making my hair, it don't look as if I did it myself. Alright, so I get a lot of questions of how people asking me how I make my hair myself. Alright, so this is how I make my hair myself. I make sure I use mirror in the front and then I have mirror behind me too. Okay, and also I'll also use hair wax. Alright, very important. Hair wax helps you to clean up your parts and remove any tiny hair that will be in between those lines and make it perfectly clean. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'll comb out my hair, and then this is the rubber band. Please do not put or use rubber bands straight up from the pack to hold your hair. Alright, once you get a rubber band or you want to make your hair with a rubber band, ensure you put it in oil. Okay, it helps to make the hair band not to break your hair. Okay, so I use rubber band to make my hair a lot. Alright, and I don't have breakage. Like, rubber bands don't break my hair. Alright, I've seen people or heard people complain that rubber bands cut their hair, or if you want to use rubber band to make their hair, they complain that they don't want that it cuts their hair. But when you dip rubber band in oil, any oil will do. Okay, but ensure you dip the rubber band in oil. Okay, so I went ahead to apply the hair wax on my hair, use my rat tail comb to comb my hair out smoothly, and then use the rubber band to secure it properly. Alright, so when I was done, I had to use my got2b spray gel to spray on it for extra hold. Okay, and then afterwards I'll go over to the other side. Alright, so I'm going to be making this hair in boxes. Like when I do the first one, I'll do the next one. Okay, because afterwards I'll have to start crisscrossing the hair. Alright, so the back part is a crisscross style. So this is me ensuring that my parts are clean. Alright, you can see me using my mirror to look from the one I have on the front, then I'll be able to see from the one behind me how the back of the hair is. Alright, but if you have a bigger mirror, you don't have to be moving it the way I'm doing. Okay, you just have to place it in a way that you'll be able to see behind your hair from the mirror in front of you. Okay, alright, so moving on to the hair. So when I'm done sectioning out the hair, I'll go on to apply hair wax on it and then use toothbrush to brush it and make it smooth, and then I'll go on to use my rubber band to hold it tight and secure it properly. Alright, so when I'm done doing this, I'll move over to the next one. Alright, so the next one, what I'm going to be doing is different from what I did in this first one. Alright, so when I go over to the second one, after patting out my hair and making the parts clean, I'll go on to apply the hair wax on it. Then instead of just using the rubber band to secure it, just like the way I did the first one, I'll go on to take the hair from the first line that I did. I'll take the hair, apply hair wax on it, and cross it over to the other side. Alright, so I'm going to be making my hair in crisscross pattern. Alright, so I'll take the first one, cross it over, and then use a rubber band and secure them properly. Okay, you see what I'm saying in a moment. So this is exactly what I'm trying to explain previously, okay? So I'll just take the hair wax, apply on it. I also apply some Gatsby spray on it just to smoothen it out. Alright, and then I'll pass it on to this section and then use rubber band to secure both properly. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much what I'll be doing to this hair. Alright, so when I'm done with this section, I'll go over to doing the same thing with the other part. Okay, so I just have to do it like I was able to get like 4 boxes on each side of the hair. Okay, so guys, I will allow you to watch and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with the crisscross part. Okay, here I'm using the dryer to dry it properly. All right, so when I'm done, I'll go over to work on the front part. All right, so here I'm using a black gel. All right, and then black gel tends to stain the hands. All right, and I don't really want my hands to stain because after making this hair I was going to go out. Okay, so I don't want my hand looking black, like stained. All right, so I had to put on a nylon so I'll be able to apply the gel on my hair and don't really leave lots of stains on my hand. All right, so after applying the gel, okay, this is not the only gel that I used on my hair. I also used Gatsby spray on it, just as you can see. So this is the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using for the top part of my hair. All right, so I went ahead to use an elastic band to hold the extension together and use that to tie on my hair and secure it properly. All right, so afterwards I'll go on to start wrapping the extension around my bun, my little hair bun, yeah, so I'll make sure I wrap it tightly so it don't lose. So please, when making this kind of hairstyle, wrap yours and secure it properly. All right, you don't want after wrapping it or making your hair, you go out, it falls off or it gets loose off your hair. No, you don't want to do that. So ensure you wrap it round and secure it and make it tight enough. All right, so it will just stay just the way you did it. So guys, if you've watched this video till this time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Is it worth trying? Would you like to try it? Is it a hairstyle you want to try on? Is it a look you want to carry? Okay, and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified on any of my new uploads, because I have loads and loads of cute hairstyles coming your way I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.
Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever.